Nobody's in there. Oh, so like actual usernames. Okay. Where did I hide that? There it is. YouTube post. Hashtag game developer. Cool. The ads are out. Everything is live. It's going. We don't need recursive run. So we're gonna put this window in the box. Oh yeah, I gotta rename this shit. Hang on. Home. Take me home. No, not back into the project. So can I just right click it? No. Of course not. Cool. Let me check something real quick. Get my other monitor set up with the damn stream overlay. Welcome in for anybody joining. Doing a little bit of setup stuff because this is the first time I'm streaming this instead of just like up and doing it. But yeah, we're gonna do some work on the game I've been messing with for the last couple of months, I think. I don't know. I took a slight break from it while I was getting everything set up on this end, but I'm excited to get back into it and show you guys. A little nervous, but you know, I hope you guys like it. Just let me stream manager. I can see now. We're all here. There. It's all put together now. Let me move this so it's not behind me right now. We'll put it down in this corner. That seemed to find enough spot for the music player. Maybe shrink it a bit, if it'll allow that. Which I'm not so sure it will. There we go. That'll do. Maybe a little. There we go. That'll do. Okay. No. Okay, cool. So, I'm gonna do a quick little play test on what we've got so far. Let me know how audio is and things of that nature. Yeah, I am... Okay, cool. Gotcha. Also figuring out how desktop displays work as we go. This is... out of everything, this might be my least tested in advance stream. But yeah, more or less, we're running around in our world with these little dudes. We got a wizard and a soldier right now who's got a sword and a bow, and then a mage who can do fire and ice magic. But, you know, we've got a few enemies running around. We've got the beginnings of the first dungeon. A lot of very clearly scuffed stuff still, but we're getting there. But yeah, we have the start of a first dungeon, and we got, you know, a shop and, you know, some basic stuff. But, you know, I'm always open to suggestions, and I've got a list next to me with some ideas for stuff we can add. But yeah, it's just chill time, hanging out with whoever pops in VC, and working on this. So where do we want to start? I've been thinking lately of doing, like, so, okay, let me kind of log in here so that we can see what all our options are. So we got the shop up here. Maybe I need to add a sign there. That might be good. So far it's just got healing potions. We got this guy. And I'm thinking of adding like a teleport stone, teleport crystal kind of item that will let you, if you're in a dungeon, like say this one, it will allow you to teleport back to the entrance of the dungeon if you use it, pressing I don't know what key yet. But it'll teleport you back to the entrance room of a dungeon that you're in, or back to the shop if you're out in the overworld. So I think I'm gonna start there, and then we might get into working on more dungeon after that. Let me see if I've got my... no. MS Paint. I have a file that I had been working on. There we go. Can I open you? Open. No, open file location was probably the right one. Damn. Open file explorer. Thank you. Close the original. Go in here. Resize this down for a minute. Shitty MS Paint map. And we got all our assets in here. Credit screen is also work in progress. I think that's also on our to-do list for the evening. Open in Paint. Cool. So this is how we've been keeping track of the world so far. Actual text to come. Again, first time working on this for anybody. But you know, we've got the first dungeon entrance. We got a shop going on, and then out through some woods there are, like, if you've ever played Skyrim, we've got the like 3 standing stones for this one. I might scatter a few more out throughout the world, but for now we just have 3 that are just static buffs, and then a fairy fountain, Legend of Zelda, or a Zelda like fairy fountain kind of thing that full heals all your party. This is right under spawn. So I'm not really sure where we go with the rest of the world at the moment. But Dungeon 1's still kind of a work in progress. So we've got all our doors marked out down in here. Nope. Not the right button. Also not the right button. Whatever. But we've got all our doors marked with the little blue arrows, and then, you know, places that don't currently have doors but could. So, a little bit of a rundown on what we've got. Oh yeah, there we go. That'll do. Yeah, I think Teleport Stone should be our first little thing we can tackle. Okay. I have floating around open. Got air parent, soldier. Cool. We got some stuff. But what we need right now is sprites. Yeah, we'll just make a sprite. SPR. Nope. SPR _ teleport. Do we want to do a stone or a crystal? Thinking stone. For right now. That might change. Because we have standing stones that look like... Where are they? They're in here somewhere. Oh, like this. So I think adding something with similar colors to the stone spires we have would be really helpful. So, yeah. I might end up making, I'll probably end up making more colors of these as we go and try and make more. So for now, we'll open edit image on stone spire, and then open our teleport stone. Can I just grab this whole thing? And just steal that. Whatever. Sure, we'll just drop this in one frame, and then in the next frame we will try and crop it a little bit. How big are our other item sprites so that we don't go too detailed? 16 by 16, 16 by 16. Okay, cool. Teleport stone. Give me 16 by 16. That's actually pretty good. I like that. So just go at it with an eraser, I guess, at this point. Oh, no. Try to cut out like a, nope. Like a rock kind of formation here. I cannot preface enough, I am not an artist. I am somebody who vaguely understands how game engines work. To the best of my ability, and I try my best. There. Yeah. Sure. We'll do that for now. Or maybe, hang on. Is it obvious I haven't worked on this in a hot minute? There we go. That should probably be good enough. Maybe erase a couple more up here. Sure, we'll just try that. Clear that. Call that a rock for right now. And see what we got going on. So, actually, would it be worth just... Yeah. You know what? Duplicate. obj_bot. Oh, bot item. And bot item is going to have no sprite. Hold on. What do we got? Where is my... Oh, wait, no. This is just that. Inventory... Oh, array underscore push. This. Right? This dot object. Does that work? Object index? I believe so. That should work, right? And then we can go here and parent as obj bot item. Delete event. Where do I delete event? There we go. It's been a minute. Okay, sweet. And then price is 15. So cool. Does that actually totally work? Is that like enough? That might be enough. I think we're gonna want to go in and do price equals like, we'll make the default prices 5. Or, you know what? Default price is going to be 9,999 gold. Because if I mess up later, I can know that. Price equals 15G. Or 15. Just 15. Cool. Awesome. We'd have push global inventory this dot object underscore index. Nice. Cool. So then we're going to create our object. Obj underscore object, or bleh, do teleport stone. Give it our new sprite friend. Oh, come on now. Where is it? There we go. Drag and drop. Parent objects. Bot item. Not inherit event. Price equals, let's call it 20. Started there, right? That should work. And then, how is global net inventory handled right now? I just want to make sure that I'm not going to mess everything up. Controller. Oh yeah, that can go into interfaces now. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Gotcha. All right. And then how many is the difference there? Do we just want to go y plus 75 and call it that? Oh wait, not silver keys. Teleport stone. Cool. So then that should be enough. Oh wait. Whoa. No. No, 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 no. Teleport's done. Cool. I'm gonna send a quick message and see if anybody wants to hang in here. Never mind. My phone decided to die on the spot. Every time I'm like thinking I'm gonna do something. Okay. So let's. Oh wait. Now we go over to. Where is my shopkeep? Where's my shop room? Room underscore shop interior. Wonderful. Go over here to objects. Give me this guy. Resize that to be 4? Or no, 2x. That should get it to be the same size. Awesome. Cool. Alright, so that should be enough, so that if we go gather 20 gold and then try to buy it, that should put it in our inventory, and we should be able to see it. We will... I got rid of my gold hotkey. Of course I did. Isn't it a global variable? Right? Gold equals 0? Yeah. Key up. Letters. Just give me G. Gold plus equal, or global dot gold equals, or plus equals. We'll do 20. This is going to be that Contra code, isn't it? I'm just going to forget, and then G just says gold forever. Okay, cool. So we have 20 gold now. So we can run up here. Run up to this. 20G. Ah. Okay. That one's a little surprising. Bot item collision player parent line 2. Okay. So it's a bot object problem. Not a... Okay. Interfaces. Where's my bot item? Where is it? There. Okay. Price. Draw. Collision player parent. Check. If gold is greater than or equal to array dot push. Ah, is it? Is that it? This dot object index? Hang on. Is that? Oh. Oh god, there it is. Okay. Let's check our little handy dandy notebook here. Object underscore index. The reference to the object at the current. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. What is the problem with that? Hey, welcome.
Hello.
Welcome. I don't understand why
Ooh,
this doesn't do. Is it. Wait.
you are talking to the wrong. I know so little
Is it
about code.
because it's trying to reference obj_bot item? Like, is it referencing the parent? It shouldn't be. That's not how that works. I don't know why it would. It's
I
this
know
line.
so absolutely
I'm.
nothing.
Well, I'm just, like, failing at brainstorming here. Okay.
Time to do my daily check of somebody's Twitch audio.
Oh my god. It's almost like the
Whoa!
audio is going to be exactly the same as the last several streams where I've done. Oh my
You
god!
say that as if
What?
you're.
Who? Who are you? Thank you. Oh my god. We just hit 25 followers. It doesn't.
Oh
It
shit.
didn't tell me your name, but thank you so much. Welcome aboard. So happy to have you here.
Okay. What?
I'm just gonna go ahead and go into my little Streamlabs here and get rid of the follower goal. That was so cool. Thank you. Well, I hope you're having a good time. I sure am. I did not expect that to happen.
I like
Sorry,
how
I'm
you
just
say
stunned.
your Twitch audio is gonna be the same as if the 3 streams I have done with you, the audio has been
Okay, listen,
completely
you. I'm saying the
every
same as the
stream.
Untapped stream that you weren't here for, okay? It was
Okay,
last
okay.
night. We just sat and played Magic in a client with no audio. Game Maker has no audio. Oh, you. Ah. Of
Game Maker has
course.
no audio. That sounds
No,
awful.
because you have to put the audio in. It's your game. You gotta add the soundtracks. Speaking of, I really need to find some royalty-free background music or make some. Okay, so this .object
I'm
index
not a music
doesn't
person.
work.
I have made so many arrows.
Can I just do? Oh. Well.
We're almost back at my old save total level, and my fishing isn't even leveled up.
Yeah. I haven't,
I'm
dude.
like
I haven't
at
logged
like
on
40
OSRS in like a
hours.
week. Like, the only time I've spent gaming has been on stream, pretty much.
Oh my god, that's one of the main reasons I never got into streaming, because I
Well,
was like, why would I want to
well, it's just the
make
fact
my
that, like,
job my hobby?
see, the trade-off though is that it means that I get to do things like this, whereas normally my schedule might not allow it. Like, I just went
Fair,
and
fair.
blocked out time that's like, oh, that's a soft lock I need to fix. But anyway, the trade-off is now I got, um, I got the time. So I get to
True,
I
true.
get to do fun stuff. Um, well, I'm sorry, I'm still like stunned that we got there out of nowhere. And my alert didn't tell me who it was. But we are now at the follower portion of affiliate, which is sweet.
Hey!
That would be very cool. I thank you to everyone watching and not watching who's helped us get there. Okay, cool. So gold keyworks. I have acquired the stone.
I still have yet to touch hunting because I didn't realize how far left the tutor was.
Ah, that'll
Like,
that'll
there were wolves there, and my combat level was 32, and at the time I had an oak bow.
hang on. I gotta think through this one. That's on controller, right? Yeah. Drama step.
sweet treat should I have?
But yeah, dude, I'm looking forward to getting another Magic Night together in the future. Because the Roger and I played some Legacy last night and some Pauper, and it was freaking great. Like, that was awesome.
My main thing right now is trying to figure out what the fuck to do with my weekend, because I have a whole weekend for the first time in I don't know how long.
Well, maybe we could spend part of it doing some stuff. Maybe.
I will never mind.
We have all of Halo 1 to do at some point.
True.
I don't know when. I don't know if I'm gonna end up doing that this weekend, but we could. Or at least, like, you know, we'll find something to do. I don't know if we'll do,
they
like...
were nice.
Even if we don't do all of Halo 1 in one go, like we did with Reach, because that was freaking crazy. Which, by the way, still the best clip farming game ever. Halo.
Clips galore.
For reference, my... and this is definitely partially due to volume, because it was a 7-hour stream. But, like, all of my single-player ones, I get, like, 1 to 3. And Halo just cranks out a clip, like 2 clips every hour. It's amazing. Oh, that'll... Yeah.
That's why multiplayer games need to... They're so cool, like fucking, like Overwatch and all those.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's just constant, like, action, you know? That's the cool shit. Let's just do that. We'll just go with it. We're just going off vibes. It doesn't really matter right now. What matters is adding the functionality of the damn thing.
Oh, speaking of Magic, I was actually planning to do that. I should do that.
But yeah, Legacy-wise, it was kind of a mess. Pauper was amazing, but Legacy did not do very well in terms of, like, being an enjoyable experience.
I'm staying as far away from Legacy as humanly possible.
Part of it was that Roger didn't take a deck that had a sideboard, so we went game 1, and then game 1 again, and then game 1 again. So it was like a lot of the complexity and the enjoyment in Legacy is that it's a format that has a sideboard.
Just throw random cards in it now. Boxfield.
You see, no. Meanwhile,
just pick it at random. Just throw a d20 and see which cards you lose.
Meanwhile, I did play around on the Pauper equivalent to Oops, and that was very fun. That one's as interesting to me, if not more, in terms of like playing it, you know?
Yeah.
I think Oops is a more impressive deck by a lot, but I think that Spy combo is also very cool. Okay, so...
That Mox will save your goddamn settings.
Collider, player attack, player parent... Player parent? Was that where we had it? Where is my potion button? What? I made that a thing, right? Like, I made potions drinkable? I'm sure I did that at one point.
Potions are just decorative.
Unless it's in here? No? Hang on. This is part of the issue with me, like, taking a long break from all this stuff. Is that I have no freaking clue. Okay.
What name is this? 32 under 50? Number 18? What the fuck?
Okay. Props, player characters. Potion. It's not on the... Wait, no, there's an easier way to test this. Do I even have a button that will activate a potion? I should. I bet you...
Hotkey it. Hotkey the bitch.
No, I will lose it if I log in and realize that I did all of the programming to add a potion item and
But
walked away
not.
from it for weeks. I was working on this game for weeks after that, actively, and I just never went back and did it.
No, I feel that to save money
So,
for the renter, I couldn't buy a new bow stave. And so I just started after a while, and I'm trying to do like 4 different fucking things I didn't do on the other one with
hey
it.
chat, I may be a bit of a dunce. Okay, let's do this. Okay, hold on. We're gonna do. I think it would benefit us the best to do an event for just each individual character, right? Let me think here.
I
Um,
don't know if I'm gonna have the cards to budget this deck.
what are you working on?
I want to get an Xtis deck, a Blood Avatar,
Yes.
but I don't know if I have the Mardu cards to budget it through.
Oh yeah, because you already have a Mardu deck and are building an Orzhov deck.
Yeah.
No, not Collider.
I hate to say
brain.
it, I think my main colors have moved away from green.
Oh yeah, I thought you'd appreciate this. There was a new episode of the Good Time Boys podcast over on the Decked Out channel. Any Magic fans in chat, absolutely go check that out. They're incredible. But they in it talked shit on Morph. More so that it's never been done in a way that does it real justice. Like,
That's
it's a
fitting.
cool mechanic, but it amounts to just like sad whoopee cushion noises,
I
which is
think the
totally
main
fair.
I think the main problem with it is it doesn't have enough not creature activations for it. Like, you're not gonna have a spell that's just like flips the bitch.
Yeah, I guess that's very fair. Like, it's just there isn't enough.
Adding fucking Wartit makes it so much better though.
Adding what?
A ward.
Oh well, yeah. It's just the issue there is that now they have to go and print way more disguise cards. Because again, I was sitting there like across the table from Cast, and I like had the Scryfall query pulled up in my head of like, okay, what creatures were printed with this mechanic
Yeah, they need so many
in
more.
your
They just need
colors
add.
that I can do?
Just
And I looked you dead in the eyes and said, there are 17 creatures in the game that have this in your colors that you could be running and like pay to morph right now. And you were like, what? And I was like, yeah, there are 17 things that have that specific flip side, and you don't have the mana for 15 of them, and then I just swing.
and it was swung.
And then you'll just be like, here's an open Frostfang, and I'm like, well, I guess not. What are we looking at? Key up. Wait, okay, no. I
Think of the possibilities.
Yeah, no.
Why did
This is
it
a
have me
controller
add the?
call.
It had me make the deck before it had me add the commander.
Key up.
What?
Are you making a deck in the right format?
Yeah, commander.
I'm trying to think of what the best item use buttons are. And I think E is up there. I think Q is up there because E is. Yeah, we'll do Q. Because E is to interact. And I wouldn't want some, like,
If you're talking
annoying
about like the
hitbox.
best keyboard hotkeys, Q, E, R, F.
Yeah, for sure. Why low battery? Maybe that's why the stream's unstable. Why did that come unplugged? I didn't move that. I didn't touch it. I didn't do the goof. So,
There we go, status commander. I was like, why the hell? Okay.
Q, let's do global dot, or wait. Array. Is there array underscore delete? No. First.
Okay, what do we even have in my collection?
Trying to think here. Reduce, resize, reverse. Is there not like an easy... There's got to be like an easy just array, like snipe the one item I need.
Okay.
Oh wait, actually, that is super valid. It'll just look really scuffed, but I can do that.
Scuffed doesn't mean broken.
Array underscore... No. Remove? No. It was... Delete.
I have 3 different printings of a braid.
Index. Number. Number of values to delete. Why do you need... Hold on. Oh, okay. So I guess you could just say, like, start at 1 and delete 3 items, which would delete 1, 2, 3. Or whatever. Okay. I get that. Right up. Or wait. Global dot inventory. Can you tell I'm a professional programmer? Full time, by the way. If I'm fucking up the order of different arguments in a function, that's not that hard.
The amount of times I'm just in my garage, I do something so stupid, I'm just like, wow, it's almost like you've only been doing this for 2 months.
Oh, wait. Can I do dot? No. Okay. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Well, the other thing is, I spent all my days programming in a completely different language with no carryover whatsoever. So, that one's great. You know? So then I come back here and I'm, like, floundering around because I have no idea what I'm doing compared to JavaScript. Index of... No less than 3? Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. obj underscore potion. Does that... Oh, you fool.
Wait, I have an add a line and I never added that to Kelsane? No, that can't be true. That has to be in there. Am I just dumb? I'll answer that.
Find index. Where is array underscore find underscore index? Function? What? No. It takes an array. Oh, wait. Okay. What? No way.
So, funny little thing.
Mm-hmm.
I had an add a line resplendent gather, and I never added it to Kelsane.
Ah! Set it as starting index in the array. Optional and optional.
The one thing that can help my fucking Voltron deck go wide, and I'm just like, nah, not needed.
I breathe, I make creatures. Nah, I'll pass. Predicate method to run on each element. Well, okay. I mean, I guess I can do that. I don't want to, but I can. I'd rather just do that. Hang on. Can I just do this? I know you can do something similar in JavaScript. So hang on. Function equals... Okay, hang on. We're actually just gonna do this part of it first.
Doing this wrong. I'm trying to add stuff to this deck without even like looking at what combos I should be looking for first.
Function index. Oh, okay. I see. Give me this. That's not what I needed tabbed into right now. Okay.
I love looking up combos for cards and getting combos that have nothing to do with those cards.
Yeah. Is potion. Cool, I can just program that here. Hold on. This is better. This is definitely going to be one of those things that I like post as a VOD and then just never do anything but clip from. Find next character. Oh, okay. Yeah. No. I get it. Again, it's the fact that I work in just enough languages to have no idea what I'm talking about.
I'm so glad I never took programming.
Well,
so glad.
It's okay. I think there's a difference between taking programming and being like, I'm going to work in a web-based language, and then also I'm going to do this. And
Hey.
oh God, who has joined us? Who has joined our number?
One of the Final Fantasy display things coming out in December is 15. Sorry, 16.
Nice.
Noctis.
Yes, my boy.
There's also
do you have a link?
bundle type coming out.
Is there a
called
link?
The Choco bundle. Yeah, I can just.
Do you have a link? Send it. Send it in the chat. Also, random magic spoilers. Behold. Sorry, 15. Final Fantasy 15 is a game that we are absolutely playing on this channel at some point.
Multi-week Twitch stream. Hey, why the fuck am I going through? I'm trying to type in. What's wrong with me? We don't need to talk about it. Me having to remember how to chat on my phone. Oh no, I can hear myself. That's not good. That's not great at all. Link deleted? Oh wait, you can't link in your chat.
No, not in my chat, in the Discord chat.
I know, I was just gonna send in your chat for everybody else.
Well, no, you can't just pop into my chat and send a random link.
Why not? I think I should have link abilities.
I mean, okay, wait. Say something. You've raised a valid point.
Hello?
Say something in chat.
Oh, something in chat.
Say something. I'm gonna mod you right now. In real time, I'm gonna mod you. Come over here. Get over here. We're gonna do is potion. Global dot underscore index, right? Hang on. How did they do? But no,
magic.
Just type in chat and I will mod you.
I did
and then you
type
can
in
send
chat.
the link. I'm not seeing you typing in chat. Hang on. Uh-oh. That can't be good. Am I losing my mind, or are you not in my stream chat typing right now?
I can retry it. Yeah. I did on my phone. There we go. I mean, I just did it on my computer. Hopefully that worked. And now I can't hear you.
I'm not talking.
Oh, okay, okay. I saw you talking on stream, and I was like, I can't hear you now. Forgetting that there's a delay.
Hmm. What is okay now? Well, I'm just gonna keep trying to figure this out in the meantime. Looking at documentation, which is the everyone's favorite part of using a game engine that doesn't make any sense.
Okay, you know what? I will go through and build this deck when I have the
Why
patience to go through my awful
why do
collection
they
library.
do this?
I don't think I have
Oh, just this
anything
potion.
that's meant for magey decks.
And then their function down here just did this. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna steal this. I'm just gonna steal this documentation. A good programmer borrows, a great programmer steals.
I feel that.
If it'll let me, thank you. Is potion.
Okay,
Underscore
what
element.
the fuck should I do? Okay, I was gonna deck build, but I'm like, so why did my tab separate? Okay.
Hang on. No. We're not doing
I
this.
could go throw myself into Warframe.
You could. Are you gonna get mutagen samples for the clan? Which
I
I would
can get music.
totally promote in here if the stream would allow me to stream Warframe.
Capture card. Capture card. I just bought four. I bought two 12-foots of red oak. Split them in half. I have 4 bow staves for under 50. Bulk is the correct option. Always do everything in bulk. Anyway,
Yeah,
that's my
well,
TED talk for the day.
you're also especially gonna need a lot of it. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to think here. There was some code that I wrote that did this, and I don't know when I did it. Like, I'm still just baffled that I did all of that for. Hey, Adrian, welcome. We are working on a game I've been developing for the last like 2 months off and on. I haven't worked on it in a hot minute. So I thought I'd do it with y'all and introduce you to it. It's called Heroes of Vellmira. It's basically Zelda 1. It's a riff on Zelda 1. So you've got, a soldier and a wizard at the moment. There might be more classes coming in soon. But you go around, explore the world, talk to NPCs like a shopkeep that lives in there that we're currently making more items for. And yeah, you just explore the world, fight monsters, get money. Um,
I
there's gonna
always
be
tell everybody.
there's gonna be more story coming in down the line, but
Oh,
currently we're
that's
very
loud.
much on like functionality. But yeah, that's the project so far. Always open to suggestions and adding new stuff. But yeah, currently what we're working on, you can't see it in here right now. Is I'm working on consumable items. We are starting with a health potion to heal up one of your characters, and then that's another bug. Lovely. And then the other one's a teleport crystal to, escape out of dungeons or teleport you back to the shop. So, yeah. Just some very like laying the groundwork kind of stuff because I also got tired of adding more dungeon rooms for the moment because map generation for this is a little chaotic and takes forever compared to me slamming my head against a brick wall making an item that I don't fully know will work. For example,
Does best to
I
make items.
I just found out that 2 months ago Ren made a potion that you could buy, but you couldn't drink. I just never finished making it a functional item in the game.
Who gets thirsty anyway?
Probably when your warrior is on 1 health and you paid 15. Maybe we make that a gimmick, is like he has a discounted potion sometimes, and the discounted potion just doesn't open. Like, you consume it and nothing happens, and a little dialogue bubble pops up that's just like, the bottle was jammed. You smashed the bottle on the ground. The health potion spilled out everywhere, and therefore was not useful. Okay, so... Okay, I'm trying to do the math here on how I actually make this a functional item in the game. Okay, it was bot item, right? That's adding it. Okay, so global.push or array._push. Cool. Do we just have... Because this might just be a function, and I might be crazy. Array functions. Amazing. Lovely.
Already. You know my worst problem with untap?
Oh, dude, trust me, I feel you with the generation. I made a roguelike random room generator, and holy, yeah. A lot of it is me going into Sprite, clicking the entire dungeon tile set, and then hitting fill with random tiles until I see something that looks kind of like a dungeon room, and then I just go and fill in the gaps. And then, sure, we'll put enemies in there. We'll see what happens. I think my next one for that is the boss room. I really want to do. That one will be fun. Callback method. No. Okay, look.
You know my worst problem with untap?
Yeah?
Trying to get into random people's games just doesn't.
It doesn't. Well, my other thing, good luck with the items. I'd like to see how it ends up. Looks cool by now. Well, thank you. And thank you for the follow, Adrian. I'm going to be having a Discord for everybody up soon where I'm going to post regular updates and builds and things to try.
Hop into our Warframe clan. We can always use more people.
Yes. We want you gathering mutagen samples. But no,
join us so you can farm the same mission over and over again.
But no, I think after tonight's stream, my goal is going to be getting that Discord server up, posting it on my profile, and then just posting updates to the build when I have them. I've been doing that to the Discord server that we're currently talking in for a while, but I think it would be great to spread it out through the community a little more now that there's people coming in and it's not just the people in the voice call who know this game exists, you know? But yeah.
And I repeat, join our Warframe clan.
Okay, cool. Find index, _unique, copy wild, filter? No.
What would we say
I'm so like
Hellstein bracket is?
2 or 3. It's in that range. You're not in 4.
Probably. No, I wouldn't say 4. I was saying, would it be 2 or 3?
Well, I think the weird thing is you don't do like a quick win condition, so I think it's a 2. Like, honestly, it doesn't have any game changers. It doesn't have any. It doesn't have any game other than just playing control in a way that's not really great. Yeah, we'll just do array_find index, and then
fine. I'll work on my ores.
Grab the example because I'm I've been fiddling with this function. And it'll be good if you end up releasing it. More people know about it. Exactly. Well, not only that, but like more people will know about it. More people can have input on things, and like come up with their own ideas, and that's great. Because I want this. I would love to make this a bit more, or a bit of a like community project, a little bit, in terms of something. If anybody's interested in like just having it on their mind, having it on their computer, seeing what we can do with it. Because I mean, right now we're looking at this awful MS Paint map that I made for the people in VC once. We're at like not even 12 chambers total at the moment, but we can go much bigger, and I'm looking forward to doing so.
Just be glad you're not having to make 3D maps. I'm getting flashback to when couch made us do 3D maps.
Oh my god, no. Man, I like working in 2D or in Unity. I think when
trying to walk up
Blender
hills
in
in
high school.
3D. Trying to
Yeah.
walk up hills in 3D almost made me just fucking quit the class.
Controller. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think we'll just put it down here, honestly. Join the stream because I like to see people developing while I'm developing. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Game Maker is it's a weird little guy. But it's my weird little guy. I was talking to somebody recently, and I was like, it's kind of a piece of junk software that came out of like the early 2000s, but it's my piece of junk software that came out of the early 2000s. Like, I've worked in Unity. I tried to work in Unreal. There are many like it, but this one is mine. You know? And I really appreciate the kind of like body doubling here. Yeah, ours. This one's ours. And also Opera now, which is still weird to me. So we're just gonna do this. Underscore array. Global dot inventory.
Oh shit, I need to... Oh my god, I have the worst habit of finding decks on mocks and then not saving them to get, like, for your inspiration for later.
Yeah. Okay. This potion. Okay.
Also, I saw the funniest post, which was just a man, it was on r/Bowyer, and he just took a picture of his bow. It's like, how do I tiller this? How do I? And I died laughing.
Get. Oh wait. Object. This is probably like the other weird thing with Game Maker is I feel like everything that I cobble together is like as clunky as it could possibly be, but I feel at the same time that like looking through it, I struggle to find a better answer some of the time.
Even if it just gets your shit on paper,
well, that's the thing. I ended up redoing before I like took a break from this. I redid the entire world map as a 2D array, whereas before I had it just random disparate runes.
Nick!
Hey, welcome.
Hey, there we go.
There he is.
Myself was muted.
Whoa. Welcome to the game dev stream. Welcome to hell.
I was gonna comment something funny on the stream, but I couldn't think of anything.
I appreciate that. I appreciate you. We're just gonna cut this. So in theory, this idea should work. Potion
Nick, what are you up
index. To? Yeah, what are you on? What are you doing?
I'm playing some Nine Kings right now.
Hell yeah.
What is Nine Kings?
It's a roguelike city builder. It looks really sick.
Give me some overwork.
Roguelite? I could never.
Okay, yeah, sure. We'll do
Fuck
VAR.
yeah, got me.
It'll make them
wild
happy.
card.
We'll do VAR.
Alright, we've mortgaged. Hopefully, I get some more suicide bombers so I can mortgage them again.
I just appreciate you being here. I
gotta
tune
put a
out.
mortgage on my suicide bomber.
I always tune out, and then I hear the most unhinged like quote
Joining
in the world
a Nick
from you. It's
conversation
amazing.
halfway through is always like
It's
a fever
always wonderful. Global inventory.
dream. Nick,
Potion
when you're done with
index.
whatever you're doing, can I borrow you to test out a deck?
This
Yes.
no less than 3 arguments. What's
Oh.
the...
What,
Oh
What
yeah.
format?
Commander.
Cool. I have my Bernard deck.
You
Oh,
really
get this
gotta get
Bernard.
other decks on there.
You
Yeah.
really fucking do.
Sure. You know
I
what?
gotta-
This'll actually do well. This'll do well.
How do you save these? I forget.
Oh, what's the website called again? I don't remember.
Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah. Is potion not? Yeah.
You're
Okay.
not strong enough for my potions.
If potion index, then which again, I feel the need to voice for anybody who's new in stream. Part of the reason my game maker code looks like my process looks so scuffed is that I spend 8 hours a day doing web development in React and JavaScript, and you know all the classic HTML CSS garbage, and then I come here, and I'm like, cool, I'll work at something, and now for something completely different. Oh wait. No,
I hope
there's a
you know,
much better
Nick,
way
that
of
this
doing
game
this.
is going to be so scuffed because this is the first time I'm actually playing this deck because I haven't gotten it on
Hold
paper
on.
yet.
I wanna see what the fuck that round of buckshot looked like it from your perspective. I just
Oh
noticed
yeah,
that
the
clip
clip I
up.
posted?
Yeah, the fucking. My God.
Nonsense. It was nonsense. Is potion not set before reading it?
Absolute blitz that I
Okay.
pulled on your ass.
Oh wait, it thinks
Oh,
it's a
TikTok you
variable.
posted. Yeah.
Why does it think it's a variable? Did I mess that up?
What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, copy URL.
Dude,
untap.
I speak like 5 different languages at different people all day, and then I come here and I'm like, this is the one where I'm just gonna fuck around. We'll just mess with it and see what happens.
That's it. I'm speaking Gaelic.
The soreness from working in
Hooray.
the garage is like
Underscore
starting
F.
to finally hit me.
The underscore important? Oh, I think you need... Do you need to set it in the same thing? Am I really gonna have to do that?
You know,
That's
Tristan, that's
remarkably
a problem I wish
picky.
I had. I wish
Hang
I
on.
was sore
Well-
sometimes.
Oh, wait. No.
Hey, get somebody's
We're
dick
good.
out of your head.
This is good. This is fine.
That is an
We got it.
impossible task.
That's
It's because it put var, isn't it? Because is
I,
potion should just...
uh,
Yeah, there we go. I can spam Q without crashing the game on
Do
the
we have
spot
each
now.
other friended on Untap?
Probably not.
I don't think so.
Okay, what's your tag?
Oh god. Okay.
Hold
Press
on.
the money key. Take
What'd you
a
say?
potion. I buy a potion. I hit Q. God damn it.
What's
Okay,
your
Unable to convert string.
Wait, why
object,
the?
potion. What?
Wait, give me a second. This deck isn't.
What are you
wording well.
doing?
Why-
The things
why is the
you're
wrong-
Wait, is it counting the sideboard?
Oh.
Oh no, it's
Equal.
there's 195
See.
considering. I was like, why are we
I'm
so
a
over
little
budget?
silly, and I forgot to actually make the rest of the if statement. So, there we go.
There's only if.
There's
I
only
have
if
so
blank.
many.
So, if an object has a name, do the thing, not if the object has... Wait, why am I... Hang on. Why am I doing G as the gold key? Why don't I just append the... Why don't I just add a potion to my inventory? Or yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll add another one real
Wait,
quick.
how do I get rid of?
P is for
How do I
potion.
get rid of all of this?
Somebody in chat eventually, be it end of stream or like before releasing the next build, is gonna have to remind me to remove my like Konami code bullshit.
Why?
Well, because I'm like, oh man, I
so
could
don't know how
do,
to mock.
I could so do the like, you know, player experience of let me go buy the potion and like get all the gold. Instead, I'm just gonna include a G button that gives me gold and a P button that gives me potions. It's that easy. Rate up push global dot
More potions,
inventory
damn it.
obj
Alright.
Okay, I don't know
underscore
mock
potion.
hotkeys, so I'm just hitting a bunch of Alt 2s.
Okay.
Wait, are you on Mox or are you on Untap?
I need
Mox
to get
can't
rid of
have
all
people
of.
play against each other.
You know, I have to get rid of all of my.
Yes.
So
Okay.
I ported this deck
The
over
hard
because I
part
want
is
to try
there.
it before I fuck with it to see
You
what I
know,
want to add and what I want to get rid of.
this is
The problem is he
actually.
had 170 cards in his considering.
Whoa,
I see.
That's
Yeah.
I could make a script out of this and save myself a whole lot of time in the near future. Hang on. Whoa. Hang on. Consume item script. That's what we're doing. Because I've made this mistake a dozen times in the same project where I do a annoyingly complex thing, and I'm like, man, I really don't want to do that again for every other item in the game, and then I forget to make a script out of it that I can just call and
Can
just
you
say
not
do the thing.
get rid of cards on mocks?
You can bulk edit.
How?
There's a, I think it's a little pencil with a piece of paper up at the top.
I see it.
You are welcome.
Save me. Save.
Object.
Fucking.
Where the fuck is Dang in my fucking playlist?
Just let me highlight.
We're adding
highlight.
Dang to the
Let me
fucking
highlight,
queue.
please.
Is right object. And then object index, because we're gonna
Fucking
rename
love
it
this song so much.
object.
I think the
Index.
Well by the Crane Wives is
Yeah.
my favorite song by them now.
Really?
I can appreciate that you're like you're about that life, and I'm sitting here and I've got a dating fight from Undertale playing. We come from very different worlds.
Yes.
I come from the royalty free world. Great. That's where I plugged that. Yoink!
I mean, if I wanted some royalty-free shit, I'd go with Winter Garden.
I heard
I
the,
started listening to the new.
you know, I'm gonna have to look back into
the thing you sent me.
I'm gonna have to go back into the lo-fi playlists, because last I heard those were royalty free. Like you could put them in your stream as long as you had credits for it. Like you just put in the description, which I would love to do. It's just they changed up their site layout, and now it's all like monospaced, and I was like, I'm just not gonna look into this 15 minutes before stream. Like, you know, before our first Untap stream, and now it's just been Toby Fox the whole time.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this for 150 more cards.
Here, I'll send you. I don't know the exact rules of Winter Garden's like sound free shit or sound free. IR can brain.
Ah, yes.
IR brain very goodly.
Why does that not do that? What?
Fucking.
Oh.
They have royalty free, but I'm not sure of their rules about that.
Yeah, well, I feel like it's different depending on the place. Why is this not doing things?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's inside there. Shit. Okay.
Where the fuck is Polka Pit?
Is there seriously?
Is Polka Pit not in my fucking favorites? Okay,
Okay.
it's in
We're
the
looking at
playlist.
Oh, I figured it
global
out. I
inventory. Is
figured it
right
fucking out.
Yeah?
Nice.
Element underscore index.
Why is Polka
Can I
Pit
add
not
another?
in my playlist?
Probably not
That's your
allowed to add
goddamn
another one of these.
genius.
Great OBJ.
Are we at 100 cards? We're at 100 cards. Woo.
Let's get it.
Nope, nope. What button did I? Thank you.
There.
We got
So
that
right
OBJ.
samesies.
Is right object. And then can I call?
You know,
Copy. Untap.
I'd
OBJ.
love,
Right there.
I'd love to have my fucking Bernard deck in paper. But
Dude,
$90 is a lot.
You don't have
Well,
to do. You. Oh wait, you don't buy bulk. Like you don't open cards. I was
Yeah,
about
he
to say,
doesn't
dude, just
open packs.
build some. And I remembered that you don't play this game.
Yeah, not often.
Uh,
I don't play it often enough to like
Yeah.
just
Shit.
like have a fuckload of decks. I enjoy the game.
Underscore element.
I just have
Get
a
object.
lot of other shit that takes up my shit.
Wait. Okay. I know. What am I doing? What am I doing
So we're
wrong?
removing that. Object underscore get name. OBJ. I'm trying to think how I patch this through off the top of my head. Consume item OBJ. And then
Okay.
index.
Here we go. We're ready.
Wait.
We're good.
Could I do
Nick, what's
Search.
your name on Untapped?
Good Sire. Or sorry, yeah, just Good Sire. Capital G,
I had-
one word.
No, I had no doubts.
Yeah.
I already started typing it in. Okay. Here we go.
that?
Add to friends
That
list.
equal
Dope.
search string. I can call that in there?
Great.
Hell yes.
New game.
Alright.
Format.
What's your thing?
You know what?
Zeldris with 2 L's.
We can destructure that a little more. What am I trying? I'm trying to make a more generic way of eating items that are in my inventory. Because I made it work for potions, and then it occurred to me that I'm probably gonna have like 4 to 5 consumables, like off the dome. And I don't want to write 5 different scripts, so I'd rather just power through one really annoying one.
Do I have to start the game
How the
before
fuck do I
friend
How
request
the
you?
fuck do I spell Zelters?
Oh wait, yeah. We'll just leave this as It's fine.
ZELLDRUS.
We'll just leave it be.
Yeah.
That'll be fine.
DR. Okay.
Consume item, blah 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 blah. So that should work. And then if we go to controller, we can test it again. Where is go to controller? Where is
new game.
controller?
Alright.
There
New
it is.
game.
Can I just move you? Like, no.
How do I make this
I'll
friends
have to
only?
make like a separate
Okay, that's how I make
folder
it friends only.
for it. Q. Consume. No. Consume.
I just
item,
start it now? Okay, well now I have to wait the
OBJ
fucking half a
underscore
minute.
Potion. So do that.
Why is it taking
And
so
then-
long?
We will. Yeah, we'll just leave that be for now. We'll add the life gain portion of it here in a moment. Because I know that we are tracking states somehow. Ah, yes.
How do I convince
That's
DE
fun.
to put their their thing early. Their
What?
update early.
Oh yeah. How
How
do I?
convince T to go
I
up the
mean,
update early?
like I know that I know there are ways to bribe Rebecca Ford. I will not get into them on stream. But I have heard things.
Wait, how do I invite
Um
this
I heard
man to my game?
whispers.
well, okay,
What's
look.
the what's
We've
the
got to
game
remember
called?
we've got to remember though the man like the
It's called I Don't Wanna all spaced all first letter caps.
we got to remember this is the like game director for it, and she streamed 7.5 hours opening boxes of Final Fantasy cards from Magic, just to open a $4 card. It went on
Nothing. I don't even think
so
she got a
long.
lightning, did she?
She got it eventually, but
Oh, did
she
she?
opened
Okay.
she opened box after box for like 7.5 hours. She'd eaten multiple cards on stream.
Multiple cards. What a statement.
Yeah, it's something.
I haven't played Untapped since the last time we played Untapped, so I don't remember most of the controls.
Straight object. Oh wait. Is right.
You want to do
Object. Wait.
you want to
Okay,
do
object
rollies
index.
for it?
Hang on. I'm trying to
Sure.
Galaxy Brain here.
Yes, yes. D20.
Array underscore find
Yeah.
find index. Right.
I guess I'm going first.
Oh, potion
I
index.
rolled a 5.
That's why.
I got an 18.
Object index.
I know there's like deck commands. Do I just? Okay, here we go. There we go.
Yeah.
And then get rid of the var, because I don't think we need it.
Kristen, should I risk it for the biscuit?
That should
Always.
work. That should connect us the way that we need to connect it. And then we
Kristen,
should be good to go.
am I risking it for the biscuit?
You always risk it for the biscuit.
P to add a potion.
You're right.
Q to eat the potion. Hell yes.
I.
Okay. Cool. So
That's a forest.
that's
and I go first, so I
functional
don't
now.
draw. At the beginning of my turn, right?
Where's my controller again?
What was that? You could have.
I going first. I don't draw right
No.
for my beginning. Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Also, up your life to 40.
So
I agree.
how do we make this? Remove
I play forest, and that is
Oh,
my
wait.
turn.
Easy way of doing it.
Oh wait.
Do it.
This.
I can hit the end turn
Where's
thing.
my-
Yeah.
docs, there it is.
There's like actual
Array
turn
functions.
things.
Yeah.
Okay. Draw.
I
Oh,
forgot
no,
it wasn't
I'm a little
broken this
spooked.
time.
Oh wait, wrong one. There you go.
Array underscore any all for each reduce concat union intersection filter map
Can you see if I draw?
unique
Yes.
compile.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh wait. How do we display this for potion? Because I know I wrote code that did this to display that number. On this same object. Who's in the draw event. Oh, number in inventory, because I already made a
Don't forget
script
to draw
about
your
it.
card.
That's right.
Hold on.
I already made a script.
Dude, I literally
We're drawing something here.
for any
We're cooking.
for any
We're
other
good.
devs in chat, I spent
There
my
we
whole
go.
day working on an issue like to display some data, right? In a very specific way that we've done in other places, but needed shown here as well, right?
I have not been keeping track of chat. I
Um,
really should be keeping track of
But
chat.
it was that, and it was like, you know, adding filters. By the way, do you never spoke in my Twitch chat for me to mod you?
I did like 3 times. All right, I'll do it again. Here we go.
Yeah. Go say a thing. Cause then I want to be able to see the new spoilers with
There you
my
go.
boy
There you go.
Noctis.
Yeah, I spoketh and wait. Do you want me to speak in Discord or in your chat?
In Twitch, because I need to be able to find
Okay,
you
I
so
spoke
that
in
I can
Twitch.
hit you
I
with
spoke in
mod.
Twitch. Yeah,
Um,
it's just my normal tag without caps.
buddy, I got news for you. Hmm.
I did a big speak in chat. Do you have me muted or something?
No, I'm not. At least not intentionally. I don't think that's
I'm
a
even
thing.
following you.
Well, I know you're following
I've been
me.
chatting in your chat almost
Stream
every
manager.
stream. Have you not seen any of it?
Hang
Nah.
on. Chat. No, it's just not appearing on any of my stream managers.
Yeah. It's not appearing on my end either.
Wait, chat settings, chat filters off, pause chat, scroll only.
Are you just busted? Is that what's going on?
Am I gonna have to make a new Twitch?
I don't know, dude. Mod actions.
Chat appearance.
No idea.
the
I got
font size,
no buttons. I just can't see you.
What?
That's a fucky artifact.
Okay, let me take my untapped turn and then I'll try and figure that out.
Number and inventory object potion. So, if number in inventory, if number of potions in inventory is greater than 0, run that shit. Eat it and then heal you. I don't know that this is generic enough that we like need to run a function around it.
Never seen that card before. That's neat.
It is an interesting card and surprisingly not that expensive. Okay.
Oh, cool.
Why
Like exotic
is
orchards.
which
Do my.
Hang on 1 second. I'm getting a phone call.
Nah.
Oh wait, I'm in cap lock. Shit.
Okay.
Oh, it's because my Twitch account is new.
Are we going to? Okay. I guess we're just gonna draw a lot. You're getting put on the fucking deck bottom. So I drew you later. That kind of sucks. Fucking land that doesn't come in tap or actually, you know what? Scratch that. Land? What the fuck is that? Alright, tap 3, do Inspiring Sanctuary. I'll put that over there.
Okay, I'm back and I'm in it.
It's saying I have to not be new account, but my account is. This is the account that I streamed Halo with you on.
Player. Oh god. Soldier health.
Is it my turn? Okay.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
it's my
it
turn.
is.
Untype all.
Plus equals.
Okay,
So we're
okay.
gonna heal them by. I'm just gonna go and set this as a constant.
I should not have risked it for the biscuit.
What'd you do?
I'm just getting mana fucked right now.
Cast the spell.
Potion.
Oh, dude, that's great to put up.
Heals.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Or health equals 3.
Okay.
I can't get the mana and the colors I want. I have a lot of I have a lot of colors right now, not the ones I want. Although-
Okay, I have some decent mana.
Wizard health plus equals potion health. So
Okay.
then that should be able to heal us. We're gonna go and test that theory. And then probably remove the potion shortcut, to be honest.
Mana drop.
The cheat in
Hell
potion
yeah.
effect at least. So I'm just gonna go and say, hit me.
Did I draw this turn? No, I didn't draw this turn.
Okay. Cool. 2, 3. Give me one more. Hit me one more time, dude. Not. Come on now. You got this. He does not, in fact, got this. Whatever. It's enough. Q. 5. Nice. Okay, cool.
Oh,
switch over to
what a
Wizard.
card to get up
over to
this
Wizmiz.
early.
This is my friend, Dead Rasmus.
How do you create tokens again?
It is
It is W in that.
W.
W.
Yeah.
I remembered it was keyboard button.
Tokens.
Water life
Okay.
heals your wounds and resurrects fallen comrades, because it would be a pain to test with a wizard who dies to like a stiff breeze if you try to get him in melee range. Making any kind of healing item for him. Which is why the potion just fully heals him and sets the soldier up by some health instead of all health. Potion. Q. Oh god. Okay. Hang on. I think we do this in just a step event, to be honest.
You can just clone if there's more than one.
Yeah. Security and privacy.
Is greater than or equal to max
Okay.
wizard health.
That's kind of crazy. Not gonna lie.
Okay, I'm confused, Mr. Jefferson. Alright, you know what? We're gonna log out of Twitch, sign back into Twitch.
Do you happen to have 2 streams open at the same time?
I
Or no,
might
that
have
wouldn't
one on
affect
my
your chat
phone.
identity.
moment.
But I know that if you have 2 streams open at the same time, your viewership counts for neither. I don't know if that's a new thing, but I know that's how that works now. Equals. Global.
Weirdest thing is, the chat on my end is showing that it's in the chat bar.
That's
So I
really
don't
weird. Yeah, I'm not seeing
why
anybody
it-
but
no.
Adrian in here.
Alright, one.
That
moment.
explains why you never respond to my chats.
Cause I
I
don't
just thought
see
you've ignored
him.
me. I just thought you've ignored me this whole time.
I didn't know you were there. Don't worry about it. Okay, sure. I was gonna avoid doing this because it's not strictly necessary, but like my brain can't handle looking at that any longer. Yeah, we're just gonna do another one of these.
Alright,
I'm-
one moment.
Like, I'm followed to you and
Real quick.
everything.
Yeah, I know you are.
I will
Did
be
you finish
back.
your turn?
Not yet.
Okay. I'm
Don't trip. It's not a good idea. Alright.
confused,
I will be
Mr.
back.
Jefferson.
So, we have ways of eating items now, which is very good. Cool. So that should work. So now the potions can't overheal you is the idea. Because that doesn't make any fucking sense. Oh yeah. No, we're good. We're so good.
It's not saying anything's odd in my settings.
Huh. Well, do you want to just post the link in Discord for now? And then we can examine that.
My email's not
Later?
verified, so I can verify my
That
email.
might be why. I think that I know they were doing a bunch to cut back on botting. recently. I don't know if they like made some kind of change, or maybe I enabled something in my mod settings to like only accept chats from verified users. That's also very possible. But anyway, so we're gonna delete the potion key because potions work now.
Can I never have a stream with you where it doesn't involve hack issues?
Like an hour of like fixing some random bug that no one knew about.
The weirdest bugs. It's
Um,
always the weirdest bugs.
But no, if you end up with the link, drop it in Discord and we'll just see it there. Key press, key up. R is probably a good teleport option. Actually, T, right? T for teleport. It's still not that far.
Yes.
I don't want
Yes,
people
that was correct.
accidentally hitting the exit button when they're in a dungeon, you know?
Okay.
I want it to
and
be
what
like
if I
fairly
just-
deliberate, even if it's not like crazy, you know? I just might do more game dev streams like next slot or like in the coming days. Like I might make more and more of these because this is I missed this. Like Tuesday is still Tunic, absolutely. I fucking love that game. That was amazing.
Never played Tunic.
Well, it is genuinely one of my favorite games I've ever played. I cannot recommend it enough. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, we'll just copy this and then paste it in here. We're gonna do this with teleport stones.
And what if I just...
Okay. So this is the weird thing. Where? So we're
Okay, I
pretty
think it
sure.
has to be on your end. I think it officially... My email is verified, all the above.
Well, Nick couldn't see it either, so it isn't like
I'm
just in my chat.
No, I'm saying I don't think you have it to where, like, people like me can chat.
I don't know
Or,
who
like, we're
you
muted
are
in
in that
chat.
way, though. Like, I don't know how you're any different.
You have it as, like, not verified people, or...
None, not that I'm aware of. Mod actions? I don't see anything. No. I'm just seeing a bunch of shared chat stuff from the streams with Roger, but nothing crazy. Okay. You can see my
That's fine.
developers
My
down.
turn.
Okay. 4 each, or array
Okay.
for each. Alright. This one's gonna be fun. Temi Village is playing, which I very much appreciate, but I don't know. So, here's the gimmick. Here's the rub, chat. So we have these arrays that are our world map and such, right? All fine and good. We need to check each of these, and if it's a dungeon room,
Yeah, okay, I think that's
set the
right
room
answer.
to dungeon 1A. Or dungeon test.
Oh, we lag a little bit. Okay, there we go. We
I
played
think we
Case
checked world
File
map first.
Auditor. Let's keep top.
So, okay. Check map.
Is there not just a look at blank?
What?
I was
Scry.
hoping there was. Oh
It's
yeah,
just
you can
called
change
try.
the count. Shit. Yeah. Christ.
Okay.
Look at top 5. You may reveal an enchantment card. Okay, yeah.
You know, Scald is not viewed right now.
Underscore element underscore index. Or
Where are
Well, that
Americans?
sucks. Not a single enchantment.
Rip.
I think those are
Hell
supposed to
yeah,
go
we
yellow,
got
right?
big shot going.
Whatever.
Fuck yeah.
That sucks.
Big shot slaps so hard.
Array underscore contains.
Wait, how do I get out of the scry?
Wait.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Okay. We're getting there. So first, we're gonna want to check all of global.world map. Check map.
Okay, well that's sad. Well,
Be a picture. Be a baby.
we're gonna swing my bug at you.
Global.world map.
It's...
Room. If it contains room.
I block
right?
with Bernard.
Wait.
Then he just
Oh.
fucking dies.
Okay,
Bug
that's
gets
still
absolutely
function,
folded.
isn't it? No, it's not. We're good. We're so good. Wait, if that works,
Which
then why
means
didn't I
Quantum
just
get.
do that?
How does one do counters? Okay, there we go.
Couldn't I just do?
Get.
Hang on. Here's the other thing: is I have
Counter.
no one to do code review but chat.
I can't.
I don't
do it.
speak
I
tech
can learn.
I'm not
code,
expecting
but
you
that'll
to.
Take ages.
Well, no,
don't
I just think
speak
it's.
tech priest.
I just mean that it's funny because I'm used to like having people over my shoulder that are like, "No, that. What are you doing there, buddy? Like, none of that's real." And I'm like, okay. Or somebody I can at least like call out to and be like, "Is this real? Is this a thing?" You know?
How does
Yeah.
one destroy card?
Why does that not?
You just
happen?
drag it to exile
Oh,
or
wait.
graveyard or whatever.
But it's
It
a
just
token, so it does
disappears.
neither of those. Oh, it
I'm
just
just-
disappears.
it'll
It'll do it.
just, yeah,
Okay.
it'll just
I'm
disappear.
done. See, madam. There we go.
Yeah. It just disappears because it's a token.
Oh. Turn up.
No, not contains.
And I played the land this turn, right?
Let
No, I did not.
see, actually. Yeah.
How's that?
I
That should be
do
good.
love the like game action things.
Yeah, because we have the same amount of lands, so I can't play another land. Okay.
So then, yeah, I would
Because you went
think
first.
in that case, I can actually.
God.
No, wait, because then that would still have to return true, wouldn't it? I would have to return something rather than just remove it, which I guess I could
I'm
do.
so butthurt about this chat, though.
That's actually very fair. I don't think I will, but I could. That just doesn't. The mouth feel on that doesn't exactly feel great.
Wait, what? Hold on.
Yeah, no, chat filters are all. There's no pause chat, screen chat appearance.
Alright, play Wing Splicer.
What does that do?
Golems get flying. Does it make a golem? I don't remember.
Yes.
That might be one of the
Create
ones that
your color.
makes a 3/3 when it enters, as well.
Colorless.
All the splicers do.
Oh shit! I forgot how good Bernard was. Oh no.
Yo.
Oh no.
Or shop. Yeah. So that'll.
Let me see
So
here. Is there...
okay. The way that this is set up now, I need to add a.
Hold on, let me see if there's any good.
Hang on. Key up.
Dude, I just
Any
realized
good
how
art.
fast Thurvondum gets funny. I just realized how fast that can go.
Hmm.
Damn, no good one except for the candy one, which is
We
a
should be able to
4/4.
just rework the gold cheat
Are you not
key.
gonna put a 2/2 and trample on your golem?
There we go. I just wanted to find a good art for my golem.
Oh, okay.
Alright. There we go. It has the 2/2 counter on it.
It's all the
It's
different
flying.
He
Array
gains
underscore
trample.
push. We're going to push.
And trample as well. I keep forgetting Bernard adds trample too.
I just realized your deck. Sorry, my deck is your deck's worst enemy.
Why is that?
Read my commander.
Oh yeah. No, that's so real.
As long as I have things to block you, I just hit things. Like,
Well, dude, any deck that
I
has
can also just eat
aristocrats,
my creatures as well.
any deck that has aristocrats as a potential strategy is going to have like a big deal. You know? A big problem
Yeah.
with that. Okay. Check map
So,
not
yeah,
set
that's
before reading it.
It's a 5/5 flyer already. Though.
Why? Why is not?
where's a 5/5
Oh.
flyer?
Hurt.
My golem. Because
I
of
thought you had
the,
trample, not flyer. Oh yeah, there it is.
because
Okay.
of the wing splicer.
Yeah.
So
And all of my golems fly.
GT. Hell
Out of
yeah.
Wise- all
Okay.
of them.
Yeah. And then I think we're pretty safe to set it like here-ish. Where do you enter actually from the south in this room?
Oh, is it my turn? Shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it in a controller? Am I crazy? I think it's in player object, right? Or player parent?
Untap. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Underscore go to.
There we
Oh,
go.
that's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. I didn't read
700.
the entirety
Okay.
of that card. I forgot to play.
Okay.
I forgot to play a land last turn. That's a
So
big rip.
700. This controller. I really need to like get back to organizing all my shiz. Because I just have so much stuff floating around, but like, not really. Okay, I'm just gonna Google it. I'm googling the spoiler
Correct answer. Correct answer. Always Google.
to
Well,
see.
I put it in
holiday.
Discord. What are you talking about? I put it in the MTG chat.
Oh, in MTG chat. I was looking in the like the VC like sub channel.
No, I put it in
MTG
MTG
chat.
chat because it's MTG.
Was this all? Oh, okay. It is video. I'm just gonna Google it and find pictures.
Okay. Okay.
Fucking, we listened into some Red Box.
Quality release.
Tristan, if you
What are we
heard of the
seeing?
band Red Box, I think you'd like them.
No.
Yes.
Vomit in the Ball
Dude.
kind of slapped.
Okay.
And In the Garden,
Okay.
which is the song I'm currently listening to.
So, all of these rule. All of these absolutely
Right.
rule.
Oh, you're talking about the
wait.
roadmap?
It's one bundle, and then there's the other stuff. So there's a new bundle
Yeah, there's a
And then
Choco
there's-
bundle, and then there's display.
display. So I'm at least getting what color? What color? I see
Well,
white.
there's
in there.
the Noctis display.
Well, I know. I'm trying to read what color. I can
I'd
barely read the
assume-
color.
I don't think that one's color based because I think it's
Well, no,
just
they-
the cards
they
that have
all-
already come out as a display.
No.
Oh?
No, they're unique. They're all
Oh,
going to be
turn.
mechanically unique. That's the whole point.
Oh, turn up.
At least if it's anything like
Um,
LTR was, it will be.
Mhm.
Ooh.
And I think it really should be, because
You have that card in there?
it would be an absolute crime if they put the uncommon Renoa that's completely unplayable in like a $30 box with like 5 other cards. They're like, here's this uncommon that wasn't even playable in its own limited format. She's the one that when she enters, she makes a legendary dog.
What?
Angelo.
Give me a second. I'm trying to figure out why I have this card in my deck, but whatever, I guess.
I love that legendary.
Wait.
Which one?
Oh, yeah.
Eldraine or Adeline?
Adeline? Yeah, I love Adeline.
Yeah. I did fucking read it right. I can read.
Oh wait, no, I don't want to fucking.
Yeah, because you don't have anything in your graveyard. Although Lifelink kinda be banging.
I don't know
No,
that
I
this
want.
will work,
I need to
but
up
I think it's
Adeline's
worth
power
trying.
because I added another creature onto the field.
Um,
but I don't want to fucking.
Oh yeah, you can just delete the token. Just
Oh wait, I can tap it. I
make
can
it
tap it.
5.
We're good.
Oh
We're good.
yeah, okay.
Oh wait, I can also add another counter. Okay, shit. Yeah, we're just. This will make life easier.
Yeah.
This very well might not work,
Okay.
but
adding
we
more
should try.
counters and adding like 1 to the counters and shit. Nice.
Okay.
Room go to
No, I don't want to fucking tap them. Ah, my god. Dude, I'm gonna have an aneurysm.
dungeon
I'm gonna have a fucking
5-4
aneurysm.
entrance.
No, it's a 5-5. Yeah, 5-4.
Yeah.
Oh my god, come on.
Okay, so that
Okay.
should work. And
There you
then
go.
There we go. We're good.
array.
Are you
Alright.
attacking
Wait.
with her or?
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
attacking
so
with
we need to
her
check
and
this one
attacking
first.
with case file.
and then we check dungeon map.
Okay.
There we go.
So I am going to block
Which also
Adel-
creates a token. You said tokens were
G.
W.
creating a
T?
token with.
Fuck.
Adeline.
Oh.
2
Oh yeah, I
average,
forgot
2
she
what?
creates tokens too. What the fuck is alert response?
I tried to tap things and the things weren't tapping.
Ah,
Okay,
There
who
we
was
go.
also
also
Oh,
attacking.
wait. Because that...
Alright,
Okay.
so I'm going to block Adeline with my 5/5 golem.
Hold up. So...
The other 2 I'm letting through.
Teleport
okay, so we
Mm.
trade.
equals...
Actually, I'm gonna block your human with a Bernard.
Oh, I don't think you've read my commander, but okay. Adeline
I'll let-
big dies.
Yeah, Adeline gets folded as well as
Wait,
my golem.
I get
No,
yeah.
just room shot. Blip.
Why am I trying
Uh,
to drag my golem into your exile pile?
You know what? I'll take it. Do it. Go ahead.
Hang on.
There you go. You can have my 5/5 golem token in your exile
thank you.
pile.
Take 1 damage.
Cool. 1
Or
down.
teleport.
No, sorry. Take 1 from what you call it, and then take another 1 from Marionette.
Teleport room equals
From Marionette?
that.
Ah,
Teleport.
Do tokens go into your graveyard before they dissipate, or no?
Yes, they do hit graveyard.
Yes. Okay. So take 2 damage from Marionette.
cool.
So, yeah, they hit your graveyard. They do not stay in your graveyard. They cannot be reanimated on the spot from your graveyard before they disappear. They just cease to exist completely. I need some friggin' water.
And did
All
I
right.
draw this turn again?
There we go. Whew.
That's the end of combat. Do you have anything else to do?
Okay.
I had to make sure I actually drew this turn. Luckily there's chat so I can say inside passes the turn. Yep, okay, draw turn. Okay.
Dude, I'm still like out. I'm blown away that we're getting a third Noctis. I'm so excited.
I'm hyped for the Hobbit.
That
The
dude,
Hobbit
that
looks
being
kinda
a
cool.
set is crazy. I'm so excited.
I'm hoping
That-
I get
look-
more food and horse support.
Okay, look, and I will tell you this right now. All right. Teleport room not set before reading it, but it was though, wasn't it?
I want to run a horse tribal deck so bad.
Oh wait.
Dwarfs.
Well, here's the other thing. All right.
Your
I
turn.
think that I am being a bit of a hypocrite because I said
Brother.
Spider-Man was not broad enough to make a set. I don't necessarily think The Hobbit is broad enough to make a real, like, tangible
I think
set.
the Hobbit is more than broad enough.
Well, I
How many
mean, The
characters do we
Hobbit
have in The
itself,
Hobbit
like,
alone?
as one
In the
property.
movies.
Okay,
100%. How many
but-
of the
Mm.
how many characters do we have in just the movies, not counting for the book?
Well, yeah. Well, in the movie, it's more.
That's what I'm saying.
the movies only
Like,
added
if
shit.
you're
And
If you're
they're only
counting
working off the book
book-
again.
now top of that. Oh, are we? Okay.
Alright.
Well, yeah,
Saying,
'cause they
not
did-
just that.
LTR was entirely off the
LTR
book.
Yeah, but LTR also had Hobbit,
No, it didn't.
like Hobbit stuff.
It only had
Smaug in it.
No, it didn't have Smog. It very specifically had a saga that creates Smog, which was the book that Bilbo was writing in during Lord of the
Oh,
Rings, which is
Yeah.
apparently it was like a legal battle to even get that at the time. But I think it's
They
that
didn't have the
Lord of
license
the
for
Rings
Hobbit, yeah.
exploded, and then they were like, "Sure, you can do the Hobbit now," and then they're
Yeah,
like,
go
"Cool,
ahead,
I
have
thought
fun."
so." So we're just gonna say room start is the default. That seems fair.
You
to
paid its
me.
about cost.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it enters and then has a
And
dies trigger
since
off
it-
the stack. Like it dies instantaneously.
Yeah. And do I get, if I resummon it with Bernard, I get its enters the battlefield again, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because it
Cool.
Hang on.
just
Four
creates that
cards,
creature,
okay.
but makes it a 1/1
This
food
was-
golem.
This was me being a stupid. Hang on. We're just gonna say room go to. I need to make two different functions for this for right
And if
now.
you don't play anything, don't forget to discard at the end of turn.
Yeah. I.
Okay,
am
never mind.
going
We're
to
doing the thing
play
again.
something, however.
We're doing a script. Again. Because this may be relevant. Script. Teleport. Stone. We're just gonna do that. We'll call it teleport stone for now. Something else will happen. Map is gonna be the variable. It's going to be an array. But I can't tell it it's a map right now. Or it's an array right now. For some fucking reason. Okay. Inside of that, we're going to declare, yeah, we're just going to cut this section out and put it at the bottom, because I think we can do that, right? And just do check map equals function blah 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 blah, right? Yeah. The rules being different between scripts and events is so weird to me still, because I didn't
Alright,
use scripts
1, 2,
back in the day, like at all.
6, 7.
Um,
Alright, fuck yeah.
Okay.
That was a banger ass turn.
It's 10 o'clock.
Boy.
nice. We have hit 2 hours of stream, and I greatly appreciate everyone who's come through. This has been awesome. This has been, like, one of my most, like... I know I'm, like, just scrambling around like an idiot the whole time, but genuinely this has been one of the best, like, enjoyment-wise, this has been one of the ones that's up there so far.
That's nice.
That being said, I think I mentioned... I don't know if I've mentioned this on camera at all yet. Moonlighter has lost its slot for me.
Really?
We tried it. It was not... I don't...
What
I don't
happened
know.
to it?
It just didn't hit for me, at least as like a stream game. Because the loop for it is very like high intensity when you're running through a dungeon, and then you spend equal
Yeah.
amounts of time just sitting in your shop. And it's fine, but I don't know. Also, we streamed to 1 or 0 viewers the entire time, so the category is just also like dead from like a numbers perspective. I might go back to it later, but for now, yeah. I could be getting the same analytics playing Hollow Knight, and I'd enjoy it much more.
Fair enough.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to... attack you with him.
Okay.
With him. Oh my god, I have targeted. Goddamn him.
Okay.
Block with my 1/1 human.
And with him.
I'll block the extraction specialist with my 1/1 human.
Checkmate. And checkmate.
Um,
That didn't help me at all. did
You
it?
have a 1/1 human coming at you, and you have a 1/4 case follower coming at you.
cool.
Then
I
I'd have to
will
make
take
another
that 2
for each.
damage.
Damn it.
Gotcha.
Alright.
Yeah, no. The script was a bad idea. We're not doing the script this time. We're just gonna hard code it.
So my human dead.
The amount of
gain,
extra
you gain
shit
a
I'd have to
single.
do.
I
Not-
lose 2
not
life,
happening.
correct?
No, that's only if if something of mine died.
No, I'm talking about because you bonked me twice.
Oh yeah. You only you take 1 from the 1/1. Yeah.
Yeah, and I block
then,
your extraction specialist.
I have lifelink, so I gain 3.
You gain 3 if
Yeah, because I
block
technically
the
did
1/1.
3 damage, right? Or do I just take the 1? I can't remember. Oh my god, lifelink spawn. Yeah, because it's damage based, not health based.
Okay, cool.
Hold on. I'm gonna try something here.
Let's see, mobile,
Channel.
bubbling, belching, stain. Nothing but a favorite.
No, not channel. Creator dashboard. Community. Followers list. I'm
And
gonna
I
get
get
you, bro.
spam picked if my chats don't pop up.
Can I don't have the button to just... Hang on. I
I
gotta
passed
talk
to
to...
your turn like 3 times. Okay, there we go.
I gotta talk to Roger about this, because he figured out how to do it.
Well,
How to mod somebody.
you should be able to find my name.
Well, I know I found you in
In
my followers
community.
list, but it's like...
Yeah.
I realized that I don't have mods set up. So... Or moderation, much at all. So I need to go figure that out later. Anyway. Issues for a later day. For now, it's teleport crystals. Check world map, and then we'll just make another one that's check dungeon map for now. And then later, if I decide to refactor this, I just will, and I'll deal with it.
Alright.
and we can all laugh at me then, as a
We
group.
can't all laugh at me then.
I play Padim. Padim does things. Makes all my golems hexproof. Or, sorry, all my artifacts hexproof.
Which
Oh, yeah.
is nothing at the moment, I do not think.
I don't know if you were in stream last
Except
night
for
at
my-
all,
My
Tristan.
inspiring sanctuary.
But Roger stole Inspirit in my Inspirit deck. And
That's
proceeded
comical.
to beat me to death with it. Apparently there's a spell that lets you for 5 mana, and then you pay energy equal to the stolen thing's mana value. You just get to keep it.
I need to play a Gonti deck.
The Communist Gonti, or like
need to.
the Sultai Gonti?
I still haven't decided.
I feel like you build Sultai Gonti because you can fit the other ones inside it, but at the same time, like, the Aether Drift one is really cool.
That's what I was like. The Aether just
Alright,
seems
fuck you, Bash.
Dude,
Remembrance.
Speaking of Aether Drift, I heard...
That
listened to a
shit's
podcast
stinky.
today
Outta
with
here.
Shivam Wheeler
Okay.
and Spice 8 Rack. Spice is working on an
Wrong.
Aether Drift video right now.
Oh shit.
I'm very excited. He says he's been working on it for 4 months.
Mhm.
And it, as far as I've heard, it's pretty much because he keeps posting things to like Patreon or whatever now and again. With
I
like
forgot to
scripts,
come up to
updates, and things like
More
that.
with the token death. Okay.
But yeah.
And I'm going to populate my Muldrifter. Which,
It allows you to draw 2 cards.
indeed. Right.
Global dot inventory. So if we have a teleport
Alright.
stone in our inventory,
That is.
we eat it,
Actually, wait.
and then we
I forgot
teleport.
to add a counter to that and create a food token.
Can I just
Wait,
put
see if I
these?
can
I
find
can't
the
just put
fucking
those at the
food
bottom, can
token.
I? No?
Wait, a food token from what?
My saga that I played.
Saga's not a creature. Oh, wait. Create a food token from
Yeah.
the Saga. I thought you were talking about from Bunny. I'm
will-
like, what? He...
Actually, yeah. We're just gonna move these down here.
Fuck it. We'll go with the OG funny. Burger King food lettuce.
Correct.
Nope. That's not the backspace key. That's the backspace
Come on,
key.
Burger King burger.
Bunger. Do you want
Burger
a
King
beast
foot lettuce.
burger? That is the draw event. I did not mean to start writing functions in the draw event. Boop. Oh wait, yeah, this stuff should
On
go
my
up
Burger
here.
King burger.
My beast burger. No. Something. Okay, there we go. Cool. We have the functions. We're running the functions down here.
That
Alright.
is a wild fucking card.
What?
I have it in my hand. You'll see it.
Oh, good. I forgot to do the not soft lock bits.
Uh,
I almost created speedrunner tech. We're not doing that here. We're not doing that today. No, okay, this speedrunner tech we're not doing. Not today.
That's funny.
Okay,
Inspiring Sanctuary allows me to do some
700?
funny shit, and it's hexproof
Oh, yeah.
right now. That's big funny.
what's the where is it? I think it's on player parent, right? I think it was player parent, yeah. We had... Yeah. So y equals 700. Okay, cool.
Alright. It is your turn, by the way.
Oh, is it? Okay. Roll.
Didn't I have a thing? Oh, wait. That's why that's busted.
I hit. Well,
Oop. Okay,
I can literally do nothing.
think I
at
got
the
it.
moment.
I see.
I might take down the mana amount because literally, like,
Sagas.
just-
I've run out of water. So I'm going to go and seek more water. Keep them company for a moment.
Alright, chat.
All right,
And
Chad.
don't you break TOS. I heard, alright, chat. Don't do it.
I will stick a finger up your. All right.
Okay, you.
Might be a good time.
Am I gonna have to mute my You know what? Am I gonna have to turn off my Discord capture for a minute? I'm gonna deafen. Yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. And for the person who is in chat right now, yes, I do stream on the floor currently. I'm waiting on a desk.
Wait, is
Hey,
your
yeah.
whole field labeled as artifact?
Hello.
No.
The
So I tapped a food, and I could not tap
The-
my two mall drifters because they are not artifact.
the copy that
No, they're
that
artificers.
he makes are
That-
artifact foods.
Are they artifact?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
they're
because food is
or a
Yeah.
golem.
no, because they're artifact
golem
food
artifact.
golems.
Ah,
The
Food
copy
golem artifact
or-
creatures.
The copy that Bernard makes is an artifact food golem in addition to its other types,
okay.
which is friggin'
Which
weird.
all have trample and
And
2/2.
and
I believe it was
and-
Maldhound who put it. The only word on that card that matters is artifact. Like, you think this is a food deck? No.
Well, anything that's labeled a food, it gets a 2/2 and trample, which means your Mullers have a +2/+2 and trample.
yeah, and I put a +1/+1 counter on it. So
Yeah, but if you were, I thought you were mentioning for like affinity or something like that. But for that
It was for
purpose, they do
inspiring
count as
play,
I
artifacts.
just play Goose Mother.
Hmm.
Yeah,
using
it's for inspiring
all
sanctuary.
of my
I love how
land.
casually you were just like, yeah, I just played Goose Mother.
Goose.
Goose mother.
All right, so that is
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, hold on.
and that is rounded up. Oh wait, why the fuck did I untap all of that? 1, 2, 3.
You have 10, so you get 5. It's a 5/2.
I'm gonna be right back again.
Not 5/2. It's a 5.
I'm
Seven-
going to
7
deliver the
deer?
cat
Nope.
upstairs. So we will do that,
So it
and then I will
gets
return.
7 counters.
Be right back.
Yes.
Let me. Oh my god, I'm back. We're here. We're doing stuff. We're doing things. Hey, y'all.
Hey yo.
Okay. Gonna
I
remove the
think
giant
this deck
BRB.
works better when there's more than one person.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it
Yeah.
does.
I'm running
Um,
a Servandum right now.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah, this deck also works a little bit better when I have more than one.
No, your
person.
deck. No, your deck peaks at 1v1, I'd assume. Because then you would constantly be the threat if your commander ever hits the field.
That's fair.
Oh, do they not do Control Slash in Game Maker? That's so rough. Sorry, you guys don't know. With some IDEs, right, for programming, you can you can highlight a section of code and then hit Control Slash and comment the whole thing out at once.
I see.
Is it? Yeah, no, that's just not a thing here. I could have sworn it was, but I feel like that's also coming from it's like that way at work. You know? It's a little bit of that, like, substitute teacher. Teacher doesn't do it that way energy.
Yeah.
Okay, this should be good.
Alright.
Oh lord. Alright, we
I'll
don't.
play Samwise.
Samwise?
You have not
Stout-hearted?
swung at me once. You were just
Or
letting
no,
me build
this
up
is Samwise
health.
Gamgee.
I'm double your health right now. What are you doing?
Okay. It's testing time.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm just gonna hit the
6,
get key.
8.
Okay. What the
9.
hell?
Alright. That is you.
Why
You
did
have
that
the
happen?
+2 counter on you. I'll put you with the
What?
golems.
Okay, hang on. Easy fix. First thing. This is completely wrong. Y equals
Okay.
700. Yeah.
So 2.
And then X
At this point, I
equals-
might just say
So-
I'll scoop from my loss.
Or wait. Wait.
So this is. That's a 4/4 and a 2/2 in the air.
That's where I fucked up.
Whatever.
I should have been looking at the northern border.
You
Yeah,
have
no,
any
I was.
flyers?
700. Okay, that
Not.
should be fine then.
They do 6.
Yeah.
But then in the southern border, these need to be the coordinates for go to dungeon room entrance, I believe. One second.
I love how I can just use my food as land now. Oh. I forgot. I have the fucking. I have the highest mana value artifact. Because you have no artifacts. I should have been
Your artifact
drawn.
creatures also count as artifacts.
Yeah. So Padim would make me draw an extra card.
Your Phyraxian Triniform would make you draw an extra card.
Yo.
He's 9 mana.
Yeah, and he's 11/11 right now.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna scoop because I just keep drawing lands.
Damn, that is humongous rip.
I'm just scooping. I can't.
Hold on.
I haven't got any of my blink spells.
Let's see what the. Oh, you would have been fucked. I just drew that card. You would have been fucked next turn.
Okay, I just drew 5, and 3 of the 5 were lands.
Whoops, all land.
What's my land count?
Okay, what kind of stream would it be if the host just like dipped out every 30 seconds to go pet a cat?
You know what?
It would
I
be
will
this
do the same
stream
personally.
because he's in the other
I
room
might also
and
get
he's
some
very
food. I might just
fluffy.
nom some food on your stream. I'm not gonna lie with you. I
Don't
might just nom some
don't
food on your stream.
I don't know if we have like a JT rules like mukbang hater in chat. If we do, speak up immediately, and I will prevent this from occurring on my end. Okay, where? So we should be
Let's
setting these
go
numbers
real quick.
here.
Yeah, give me a second.
Oh,
I want to
wait.
make sure my land
No.
count is fine. Oh, I see the problem. I have 39 lands.
I see. What's
Why
the
did
normal
he-
amount?
Do this. 35. Yes, 31 creatures, 8 instants.
Okay, hang on. I figured it out. I was moving the HUD. I was setting the HUD's like coordinates. Not, you know,
That
the
was
player
the
character.
This is the worst draw I've ever gotten. That is a big
Okay,
stinky.
scoop. Scoop all cards to deck. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna... This isn't me actually like doing it. I want to see how bad 39 lands are.
Shouldn't it be player equals, right? Shouldn't that also, you know, that should reset that, right? And then we can do in the teleport functions over in here, we can say player.x and player.y.
Okay, you know what? We'll rock this.
That should work. That should fix it.
You
now.
you go first.
I was gonna roll
go
for it.
make some. Yeah, I'm gonna go make some food. 'Cause- But yeah, the game's already game already says it's your turn. But you might as well go since I went first last time as well.
Okay.
But I'm kind of
Moment of truth. While I am also taking a second to eat something, and I'm
I will be back in a couple
QA
minutes.
testing at the same time.
I'm
That'll
gonna
do.
fucking make myself some dinner. I'm gonna
Y'all
cook.
weirdos eating dinner now. Okay.
Well, I've been eating
I just
dinner.
want
It's
sweet
just a
treat.
slow burn.
I just want a sweet treat. Just a tiny little sweet treat.
Hell yeah!
I'm making mac and cheese, and no one can stop me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've successfully crossed one item off of our to-do list.
Let's go.
I mean one item off of our starting to-do list, I should clarify. We already did cross one item off of our actual, like, during stream to-do list, because I'd realized that I programmed buying potions, but not drinking them. So you just paid 15 gold for potions repeatedly, and you could never use them for anything. They just didn't they just didn't work, you see.
Donate to the merchant.
We are going to change the price of the teleport stone because it's occurring to me how busted this item might be. Because there's no cooldown. Well, okay, there's no cooldown yet. I could make a cooldown, but I'm not gonna.
Your turn.
I'm just gonna boost the price, you know?
I'm gonna go make mac and cheese.
And
I'm also gonna
nobody
get a
can
sweet treat.
stop him. Oh yeah,
I'll
the
be
next,
back.
Make mac and cheese first.
Okay, the next big thing to do, right, is gonna
I
be
win.
dungeon controller, I think. Well, wait, okay, hang on. No, that might not work. Okay, so I've got a conundrum. I've got a logic puzzle for you, Tristan. No wait, he just left. Everybody left. I'm the only one. I'm the only one here. Me and my chocolate chip waffle are the only one here. Anyway, so we've got pricing and all of that. So teleport stones are in. We're so good. I think we're gonna open a sprite for our next thing to be doing. See how that goes. Oh yeah, it's gonna waiting for network. It's gonna hit me with the Steam thing. Okay, so we're gonna load up a sprite, and then from there we're gonna build. Or no, wait, not a sprite. No. That's not what I needed right now. We're perfectly fine without. We need to be opening tiled, which might crash my stream. So I'm glad that I'm doing it later in, because this could be a little problematic. Okay, cool. So we are going to make a new thing. We're gonna make a new deal. New map. 12 by 12? 12 by 12, 16 by 16, yes. Okay, wonderful. Let me respond to that. There we go. Okay. So, boss room time. We're probably just gonna do... We'll start with, like, the biggest, widest room we can make, because I don't know how big I want this dude to be. Hey there! So here's the deal. Here's what's going on, right? Boss room. I'm doing it. I'm just making I'm making the dungeon boss room, and I'm gonna go moderate it from there. Because I feel like I should at least... Okay, here's the thing. If the idea for this project now is that we're going to release to the Discord and get the Discord up and running and have that be the way that people access the game until we have something doable.
Yeah.
I think... Okay, here's the thing. I also want to post this on itch. Soonish. Sooner or later, right? Because it's easy. And it has literally zero opportunity cost for me to post this shit on itch.io.
Yeah.
So what the idea is going to be is I want to have Dungeon 1 finished and have that be the minimum viable product to release on itch with 1.0. Is we sit here and we're like, hey, you can go fight. I think boss 1's going to be the Black Knight, I think, was what I was kind of planning for it to be, which I haven't altered his animations yet. Because I have a bunch of sprites that were like prefabs, right? That I have the rights to use. I just haven't quite gotten around to making them all fit. Plus, maybe there's like character progression. Like, one of the things that I love the most out of Final Fantasy 1 is that the character classes change. Like partway through the game, if you do like a high level side quest, right? That's cool as fuck, and I want to do that. Objects, or we'll do door. I think we're just gonna do like the basic one, right? Just like, yeah, I mean that would make sense. Is it? I'm trying to think here. Do we want? Where's my random? Okay. Yeah, I think we'll just put this for now. I don't know if we're gonna do like a prize. Should we do like a treasure room behind him, do you think? Or should we just have that be like, you know, the boss just drops an item and then you leave? Tell you what, we can fix that in post, actually. We can totally fix that later. Completely irrelevant for right now. What is not irrelevant is going and putting banners on the wall because I think they're pretty.
Oh yes, I know how to
then-
keyboard.
Where's my... Do like cobweb in the corner. And then I think we just go and we just put a bunch of like bones
Am I
and
just
shit on the walls.
spelling Gandalf wrong?
Gandalf.
That's how I have it spelled.
1 second. Okay. I'm gonna have to take another second, but this will be the last one for the rest of stream, because I gotta put the cat back downstairs. Because he's being silly little guy. Alright, we're just gonna go hit random and do like... Yeah, that seems fine, honestly. I think that's as many... Yeah, we'll just do that. And I will be right back in 1 second. So I'm gonna open the MS Paint B R B. 1 moment.
Where is draw?
Okay, we're back for real this time. How's it going?
For the next 5 minutes.
No, cat's downstairs.
Hello.
Cat's eating. We're good. Okay. So... No, I don't mean to actually close it. I just mean to minimize it. You should know this computer. You should be able to read my mind, computer. I need to rename the project as well before I start shipping this to people. And, like, handing out keys.
Project 47.
Well, no, it's just WB Proto, and then, like, all the file names.
It just fucking light up their entire server.
Export as image.
There we go.
Yeah.
We changed and added a few more things. There was like no removal, so I got rid of like a land or two as a removal. I'm at
Dude.
36 lands.
Speaking of, like, reworking decks, I'm gonna have to restart, like, I might dismantle my villains deck already. Or, like, at least go back to the drawing board with it. I played it on stream recently, and it just did not do anything the whole game. And there's an extent that that's fine, but, like, ugh.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No, I need to build my Blood Altar deck. I just don't feel like doing so at the moment.
That's a really fun commander. Like, it's one of the ones that I don't think people look at very often as much, like, in the way that they should. They just don't evaluate the card quite right.
Okay. What the displays are, yeah, like I said, it's all different colors. Noctis Heir Apparent, Fishing, Chocobo Camp, Flash Photography.
Wait, what?
Price exclusive.
Do we have, like, the cards?
Yeah, we have which cards they are.
Oh, shit.
You can't use them in a deck.
Like, not in this under one commander?
Yep.
That's rude. I felt like the last ones were printed with that in mind, and I thought that that was a good idea.
It was. The LTR ones were.
They were like, here's a Naya commander, here's a bunch of Naya cards.
BB's coming out with new art, too.
Hmm?
Okay, I'm saying it over text.
Okay, text?
I just have a screenshot on my phone, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Because I know we saw the product, but we've seen the product for Avatar as well. It's not like we've seen the actual, like, individual cards for Avatar. Yeah. Well, I figured it was closer anyway, like, to release, so it wouldn't have surprised me or anything, you know?
That's so disappointing that there's not... Ugh.
Send it. Well, okay, here's the thing. It can all be played in a Noctis Returned King deck. Or in a Noctis Loses Kylem deck. Which might have to come back out of hiding.
Use the displays in the same deck.
Why is there a new altered VV?
Yeah, that's my first fucking reaction.
Okay.
First fucking reaction.
Okay, cool. So this is just new. Are these, like, in the collector packs? Or
no,
the packs
these are
in the
display.
bundle? No, the ones in the beginning aren't a display, though.
No, those I think are probably
those are probably going to be in the Choco bundle somehow.
Yeah.
So, okay, you know what I'm going to do? I might just send these to myself over Discord so we can at least look at them on stream. So,
hey, you know what? Fair.
Also, because bigger monitor, bigger display. I'll just drop them in MTG chat with my phone. Okay, we're going to tab over to Discord for a moment because I'm a huge freaking nerd and I need to see what we got going on. So those are just reskins. I appreciate that Locke got a reskin. The good Locke from the precon got a commander.
Yeah, that one's nice.
Reskin. Mog is cool. I appreciate that Umaro is hanging out in the art in the back there. So that's neat.
I have been getting a ton of UBW stuff on my TikTok, and now I'm like debating if I should rewatch it.
Aerith Barrett, Cloud. Ugh, I might need that Cloud for Cube, bro. He's cute. But yeah, that's pretty great. Tifa as well. New basics, doesn't really matter. Here's the juicy stuff. Edea, Grixis, 5 mana, 2/5. Ward 2, beginning of combat on your turn, gain control of target creature and opponent controls until end of turn. Untap it, it gains haste until end of turn. Okay.
Wait, is that Squall new?
Yes. Whenever a creature you control but you
I
don't
just
own dies, return it to the battlefield under its owner's control and you draw a card. Okay. That that doesn't it feels like they put the safety back on the gun. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the...
Fame Clash
That might be
does something.
Noctis though?
You may cast the spell as though it had flash if a creature is attacking and a creature is blocking. Target creature you control and target creature and opponent controls gain indestructible until end of turn, then destroy all creatures. That's sick. That's gonna get reprinted for ages, I imagine.
I think you're about to be real happy.
Cool. Renoa, Angel Wing.
Yeah, I think you're about to be real happy with the new boy.
I'm looking, just give me a minute. Renoa, is it playable Renoa? Beginning of combat on your turn, creatures you control with flying get 1/1 and gain vigilance until end of turn. Whenever one or more attacking creatures you control die, you may return one of them to the battlefield tapped under its owner's control with a flying counter. That's a Zergo card. Like, am I crazy? That goes straight in Zergo. That's awesome. Cypher, Balam Rival. I like that Cypher is in colors for both Edea and Squall.
That's what I was talking about.
Because he switches sides.
Yeah. I said that's what I was...
Whenever you attack a player, goad target creature that a player controls. Whenever a creature attacking one of your opponents becomes blocked by 2 or more creatures, that attacking creature gains Death Touch. Okay. So it incentivizes you to goad something with menace? Okay. Duelist Flame. Until end of turn, target blocked creature you control gains gains Exo and gains Trample, and whenever this creature deals combat damage to a player, look at that many cards from the top of your library, exile up to 1 non-land from it, and put the rest on the bottom of your library in a random order. You can cast the exiled card for free. How much is that? Oh, X. Okay, that makes sense. Exile that many. That's sick. That rules. Squall. Last one for this set. I'm very surprised. 3 mana, 3/2, first strike, ETB, choose a number. Whenever one or more creatures attack one of your opponents, if any of those creatures have power or toughness equal to the chosen number, it deals damage equal to its power to defending player. Ooh. I like that. I like that a lot.
Why do they keep making Mardu cards I want?
That's actually really thematic, because Squall's ability in game, his limit break, is like a perfect timing like gunshot. So like he aims the gun and then you hit it, or no, sorry, not his limit break does this as well, but one of his abilities is whenever you hit somebody with his weapon, you can pull the trigger and shoot as well and deal extra damage. So that's cool. Garland, Royal Kidnapper, the main villain of... We're finally getting you. Oh wait, we're getting the whole party? That's so cool. Okay. I'm about this. Anyway, 4 mana, 3/4 in Dimir. Enters, target opponent becomes the monarch. Yes. Whenever an opponent becomes the monarch, you gain control of target creature that player controls as long as they're the monarch. Creatures you
Oh,
control but
good
don't own get
lord.
2/2 and can't be sacrificed.
Can we just say Final Fantasy is the most pushed set in the entire game?
The Destined Warrior, 4 mana. It's a party commander. First Strike, Vigilance, Menace. Cleric, Rogue, Warrior, and Wizard spells you cast cost X less to cast, I think? I don't know what that number is. It can't be
It's
X.
X.
Because there's no...
It is.
No, because there's
I'm saying
no
lines.
stat that sets X. I think it's a 1.
It could be a 1.
It's a 1 if it's not an X. Anyway, irrelevant, because
I
those are
think it's
bad cards.
X.
Um,
I've zoomed in as far as I can, and it looks like there's 4 lines.
but there's
so...
no... There would be something setting what X is, and there isn't on the card.
I am
I'm gonna
returned.
send
At
you
the
a
beginning of
super
combat on
zoomed
your
in
turn,
version.
creatures you control get 1/0 until end of turn. If you have a full party, creatures you control get 3/0 until end of turn. Okay, it's still bad, but it's fun. Destined White Mage.
What the
2/3
fuck
lifelinker for
does
3.
Whole party do?
It
Or, like,
just
how do you
it
achieve that?
you control a warrior, a cleric, a rogue, and a wizard. Another target creature you control gains lifelink for 1 mana and tap it. Whenever you gain life, put a 1/1 on something. If you have a full party, put 3 instead. Cool. Chaos Shrine's Black Crystal.
So giving party an X.
It's the end of the game. Whenever a non-token creature you control dies, exile it. At the beginning of your upkeep, you may put something exiled with it onto the battlefield under your control with a fin counter on it. Okay, that's 4 mana does not feel crazy for that. And I'll tell you this, you will be seeing me put a Marauder effect under it, so I force everyone to sacrifice a creature, I sacrifice the Marauder, and then I get it back, and do it again.
It's back.
But finality counter, so you would have to remove the counter from it somehow. Anyway, that's actually a really good Noctis card now that I think about it. Anyway, Destined Thief, 3 mana 2/2 can't be blocked. That's a good start. Whenever another creature you control can't be blocked for 1 and a blue, or for a blue and tap it. Whenever 1 or more creatures you control deal combat damage to 1 or more players, draw a card, then discard a card. If you have a full party, instead draw 3 cards. I like the 3 synergy here. That's really cool. Destined Black Mage, aka VV but fair. Let's watch it. 3 mana 3/2 with they're all 3 mana except for Warrior. Death Touch. Another target creature you control gets Death Touch for a black and tap. Whenever you cast a non-creature spell, deals 1 damage to each opponent. What did I say? If you have a full party, it deals 3 instead. It's just it's fair VV. Noctis, Heir Apparent. 3 mana Esper 2/3. I like that they've just settled into Esper as his only color combo. You're right, I'm a little disappointed that it's not creatures again. But I think it's just because all 3 of
creatures, so I'm less upset about it.
Well, I think it's just that the other ones have all been creatures. And in the main set anyway. So it's not just like, we can't have 2 Promptos. You could. You did it for literally both of the other ones of these. Or at least for the 8 one. Anyway, what's he do? Whenever a creature you control enters during combat, you may attach target equipment you control to target creature you control. So wait. So it's flicker in the middle of combat. That's really cool.
And not just for him, for anything.
I'm so doing that. That's so goofy. Oh, and of course he flickers. Tapped and attacking. Oh, he does the blink thing. He does the best part of that game's combat system. He flickers himself in and out. For, I think that's like 3 mana? 2 mana?
Cha-cha's
Something.
real smooth.
For an amount of mana.
Dude, I can't see the numbers.
I can't see the numbers, but it doesn't matter. Fishing gear, whenever...
Wait, what's the name? Give me the name, I'll look it up.
Noctis, Heir Apparent. Wait, we're not gonna have this on Scryfall yet, dude. There's no shot.
No, I'm not looking at I need a better camera angle. Like this. Yep. Okay. So it's 3.
It's 3.
Exile Noctis return to the battlefield under its enemy's
Okay, I
control,
thought it was
taps and
3
attacking,
initially,
attacks declared attack,
but
can't be blocked by.
3 works.
It's 3.
Anyway, 3 mana fishing gear equipment. Whenever equipped creature deals combat damage to a player, exile the top card of that player's library. If it's a permanent, you put it onto the battlefield under your control. If not, get a fish. What?
I'm just sad they didn't add another display prompto.
That looks like a big equip
Prompto's
cost.
so
It's got to be a big equip
ass.
cost, right? The idea that you just like, you just
Give me
get
the name,
it.
I'll look it up.
You just get it. Fishing gear.
Wait. Better
one
image.
next to Noctis?
Significantly better image.
Are you gonna send it or in the
Yeah. no, I'm
MTG
sending
chat?
the Discord.
Cool. Tapped unless you control. For the people who just came in chat, I greatly appreciate you guys being here. We will return to game dev shenanigans in a moment.
So much better.
For a
Alright,
little
there it
bit
is. I sent it.
before we log
It's so
for the
much
evening.
better. Fucking
Oh, thank God.
quality.
Okay. No, it's not. Anyway.
On my end, it is. You can actually
well,
see the fucking numbers.
Okay, from a distance, yeah, it's better. But I was trying to zoom in a little bit, and it didn't like
Oh,
that. Add a green. Why is this one's the least focused? Oh wait, okay, it's 5 mana. Whenever equipped creature deals combat damage to a player, exile the top card of that player's library. Yeah. So fishing gear is the coolest equipment I've ever seen. Anyway, Chocobo Camp. Add a green. When you next cast a bird this turn, put a 1/1 on it. 4 mana, get a bird. Okay. Cast a spell though it had flash. It's a 4 mana clone effect.
Why is it
that
anything
has
having to
flash
do with
if it
Prompto
targets a
and War?
permanent you control, so it triggers Noctis. Okay, and it has flashback for 6. That's pretty good. I'm picking this up somehow.
Why isn't that under
Enchanter legendary creature you controls enters get a food token. I'm definitely building this Noctis though. That's for sure.
Why
That's
is there no
cool
red
as
on
fuck.
screen? Why is there no red on my screen here?
Campsite cuisine. I was saying that Prompto would be Izzet, right? So I think him getting a red card and a blue card is pretty fair, honestly. Whenever this enchantment or a legendary creature you control enters get a food. Whenever you attack, you may sacrifice X foods. When you do, up to X target attacking creatures get 3/3, trample, and indestructible until end of turn. That's
It's 2 mana in
and
enchantment.
it's 2 mana.
I think that might be the best card out
Well,
of the set.
That I disagree with, but I see
It's
it.
2 mana indestructible.
Yes, for
And if you
one
for
thing
any
per
number of
legendary you have
creatures.
entering.
It's any number of creatures based off of how many food tokens you have.
Yeah, but then yes, food is no longer an investment. But anyway, creatures 3 mana Warrior's Resolve. Creatures you control have training. It's the tutorial because Gladio beats the shit out of you in the tutorial. At the beginning of your end step, if you control a creature with a 1/1 to counter on it that attack this turn, draw a card. That nombos with Noctis, doesn't it? Or am I crazy?
Is Wyatt.
A little bit. No. Because Noctis is a big guy, right? Whenever a creature you
find it
control attacks with another
hilarious.
creature with greater power, put a 1/1 counter on the creature with lesser power. And then at the beginning of your end step, if you control a creature with a counter on it, Noctis flickers himself. He doesn't want to have the counters.
Yeah, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Other than Chocobo Camp, why can't Cuisine be white?
Because they already made a white cooking card with Ignis in the art. That's also 2 mana, I believe. Isn't it? Hang on. Is Fishing Side Quest 2 mana? I thought it was. Fishing Quest? Or Fishing. Bleh. Catch a fish. My bad. 3 mana, sorry. And then it flips into an art with Ignis cooking a fish. So, no. Okay, anyway. We're gonna get this room set up, and then I think we're gonna call it for the night there. I'm going to
I'm
make
hyped for that squall. I'm 100% picking up that squall if I can.
It's very cool. I really hope this doesn't get scalped, because at least
It's
by
gonna
the
get scalped
time...
to oblivion.
But we can say at least by the time this comes out, Spider-Man will have
released
burned all
it?
the scalpers. So
When is,
I think I've been working with 768 by 768. Oh, hello. Thank you for the follow, Logan. It's appreciated.
Logan or different Logan?
Logan. Welcome
The
aboard.
puppet fucker.
Gay.
No,
Okay, buddy.
not.
Why is that the only
Uh,
thing that you popped in chat with? You came in, said hi, called me gay, and then left. I'm not, but okay.
I mean, half and half.
Yeah,
Half and
yeah.
half. Fruity,
The
fruity.
response is
Fruity,
Sharmanama.
fruity.
He's different flavored gay. Joined a Discord, said nothing, left. Most baller move ever.
Oh my god. Okay. Hang on. Oh yeah, I gotta make the background sprite. My bad. Backgrounds. Where are my sprites? I'm like
Wait, is
out
this
of it.
coming out in October?
Yay.
Is that coming out in October? Is that what we're
October
doing?
10th. The second release of Magic
No
the Gathering Final
way.
Fantasy VIII is set for
Already?
October 10th.
Dude, that's in 2
Wait, no.
weeks.
Wait, no. This
That can't
might...
be right.
That can't be.
There's no way they're like, in 2 weeks we're just gonna drop all this. They might, but I don't think so.
MagicCon Atlanta 2025 release new products.
Releases new product? Wait, no. Dude, this is MagicCon. The MagicCon is now. That's...
And I know,
No.
no, I'm saying this is like when like they released this during Magic. Like they said,
They
hey,
revealed
this
it.
is what we're releasing.
Yeah, okay, they didn't pull a
Yeah.
Nintendo and just suddenly be like, and now it's out in the world. Isn't that cool?
Wait, there's more stuff than what I just sent you, I think. Did you go over Emerald Coral?
What? No?
Legendary creature, human monk, trample, Emerald Coral attacks each combat table, no mercy whenever. Emerald Coral deals
Send
combat
it?
damage
Send
to
it.
an opponent, it deals that much damage.
Oh wait, did
Alright,
I export as image?
copy.
Hang on.
Discord.
Fucking
Hang on.
mac and cheese is
Link.
slapping.
Link. There's so many more cards than what I just sent you.
Oh god. Is it in Discord?
Oh, there's so many more cards. Yeah, I just sent you the link to the website.
Okay, we're gonna finish doing this and then probably call it. And because I gotta dig through Game Edition Commander deck. That's gone. That's never happening. Oh, okay. It's just the precon and then a download code. Oh, and a
No.
promo
Keep
cloud.
scrolling down.
No. I'm seeing now. Oh yeah. Oh wait, yeah, no. The images that you sent me were just missing one. That's right. Judgment of Alexander. This is the FF9 ones. But they're all out of whack.
Why no FF?
Why did they
no FF2
only do...
too?
They're putting a snap in here? Like in the boosters? They're putting a snapcaster mage?
Why no FF2?
Dude. This is so
The
pretty.
bestest of the Final Fantasy.
Vivi's Persistence. Search for Dagger. Whenever your commander attacks, look at the top 6 cards of your library. You may reveal a legendary creature card from among them and put it on into
Another
your hand. The rest
Moogle
on the
warrior
bottom.
coming out?
Mega Flare. This spell was kick, make a 6/6. Okay. Oh, okay. Dude, that cloud is gonna be thousands of dollars. The promo cloud that has the like poster art for the
Easily.
game on it. That is a $300
Easily.
card. Watch it.
I want. How much do you want to
Blue.
bet that this Choco pre-order is going?
Okay.
A Choco pre-order is only $109.
The Amaranth. Okay. Amaranth's really cool. I am not far enough in the game. I'm probably going to restart the game and just play it on stream, but I'm not far enough in the game yet to have met Amarant in any real capacity.
It has a click wheel.
But very cool. Very, very cool.
Okay, give me a second. I need to see if this is on pre-order yet.
No. What?
Bundle.
Judgment of Alexander is so rude. Anyway.
It really is.
Enchanted creature has flying and hexproof. Oh, it has flash. That's fun. Whenever you may pay 1 and just move it? You can just move it? Brilliant Wings is fucked up. Anyway, I'm gonna call stream because we are 10 minutes over time. But this was very
Do
fun.
you need me to deafen, or are you gonna
I had a very
deafen?
good time. Oh, I mean, I'm just gonna like close stream in just a minute. But yeah, sorry for like.
Pre-orders are already
I'm not
selling
sorry
out.
for. I'm not sorry for rolling over magic cards at the end because MagicCon is big.
Pre-orders are
And
selling
this is
out
a
insane.
this is sometimes a Magic channel.
Mm.
So, yeah. But next time we do this, we'll pick up by finishing off the boss room, or making the boss and doing all that. So cool. I will see you guys around. I should be live tomorrow as well. I'm not exactly sure when, but probably around my usual time slot. But
I might be
yes.
live. Who knows?
if
I
I'm not
certainly
live
don't.
tomorrow, I will be live Monday, 8 p.m. to 10 or 11, somewhere around that range. But yeah, thanks for coming
I
out, y'all.
might be there.
And thank you to everybody who's followed and come along. And I will see you in the next one.